Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Big Mike with BZ Cooks again. Hey, today before we get started, I just want to give a brief shout out. First of all, I want to shout out you. Yes, you, my subscribers. Thank you for tuning in and cooking my dishes and giving me comments. I appreciate you guys for your continuous support, and I promise to keep putting out more content. Secondly, I want to thank my wife for putting up with me cooking in the kitchen while she's working at home. Now, you can go check her out at BZ Bakes, okay? That's BZ Bakes on Instagram. She's got some great baked goods. You're gonna love it when you see it. Shout her out and go check out her channel, all right? Follow her on IG. Lastly, I wanna thank my boy, Smoking and Grilling with AB. Hey, he's the person that got me started doing this channel, man. Hey, thank you for teaching me how to do this thing and for your continuous support and your inspiration, all right? So with that being said, has your mom ever forced you to eat your veggies? I'm sure she has, and you probably didn't like it. Well, today you're gonna love what we're making because we're doing bacon wrapped asparagus. Now, if you don't eat pork, you can wrap this in turkey bacon. If you don't, you can wrap any vegetable in bacon and it's gonna be good. So guys, we're gonna get right to it. The ingredients are real simple and it's really easy to make. And I guarantee when you make this, everybody's gonna love it. So stay tuned. Okay, so now that I've rinsed off our asparagus after trimming it down, patted it dry a little bit with my paper towel here. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it. And we're going to lightly season, okay? Lightly season this with some salt and some fresh ground pepper. All right, so I just get a handful of these, depending on how big you want your handfuls, your bunches to be. Get a slice of bacon and wrap it around. Now, if you like to pin this down with a toothpick, you can, but you don't really have to. The bacon's pretty tacky and it will hold. All right. Now you're gonna need a shallow baking dish and a rack. If you don't have a rack, you don't necessarily need it, but it does help with the cleanup and it's sticking to the pan. If not, you can just line the bottom of the pan with foil, or if you have a liner, you can use that. But you definitely wanna line your baking pan to make cleanup easy, okay? So depending on how many of these you would like to make, get a nice handful. Now I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. And we're gonna cook these, I wanna say about 20 to 30 minutes. It really all depends. You have to keep an eye on it to make sure that the bacon is cooked. Now, it depends on also how you like your bacon. If you like your bacon crispy, you may wanna take it out and finish it off in the pan. And this is really another way to give your kids to eat their vegetables. Or what kid doesn't like bacon? All right, we're done. As you can see, I had one strip of bacon left, so I'm just gonna cook that on here too. All right, so into the oven, 20 to 30 minutes. Keep your eye on it. If you need to cook it longer, go ahead and leave it in there if you want your bacon more crispy, or if you like your asparagus cooked a little bit more. All right, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we are all done. As you can see, the bacon is not crispy, but remember what you can do if you want to put this in the pan and finish it off, but it's crispy enough for me. All right, so now if you can see the ends of our asparagus, that's also crispy. If you don't want it like that, we like it like that over here. But if you don't want it like that, feel free. You can take some foil and wrap the ends of it so you don't make the ends of your asparagus crispy, okay? So for science, let's give this a try. Oh yes. Great flavor. Like I said, the bacon isn't too chewy. Very easy to make, and I guarantee you that your kids will eat this too. All right. Let me set this to the side. Hey, so if you're new to the channel, thank you for chiming in. Feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below. How do you like your asparagus? How do you like your bacon? I'd love to hear from you. Guys, share this video with all your friends and family. Click over here to subscribe, and click over here if you'd like to see some other videos that are on our channel, okay? So with that being said, stay tuned. We got more videos to come. This is Big Mike with BZ Cooks. Peace.